where to find the BW sketch effect in CapCut PC. So decided to create this video for you because with new updates, sometimes CapCut is changing the location of the sketch effect, and it's a very useful effect. And I know a lot of people are looking for this effect, but they know this. Actually, they knew in the past this effect was located in one location, but because of the new update is located in a different location. So I'm going to show you now where you have to go. So I'm going to also grab this video and drag it here because I'm going to add that effect to this video. And now I'm going to go to effects, and then here we have the cartoon category. And if you scroll a little bit down, here you should see background BW sketch. And now I can grab this and drag it onto my video, and I have this sketch. Can decrease the effect, decrease the effect. I can do a lot of stuff. Can move this here now, and now can decrease the opacity a little bit, something like this. And also make sure here, I forgot to add this to your favorites, this effect. If it's too sharp, you can add a blur effect. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.